In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your GOG name quickly and easily, step by step. If you've been looking for a simple way to update your username on GOG, this guide will walk you through the exact process so you can do it without confusion. Just keep in mind that you can only change your username once every 30 days, so make sure you choose the name you really want before you submit it. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and account setup guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gog.com. Once the website loads, hover over your username in the top menu. This is where your account options are located. From the drop-down menu, click on Orders and Settings. After that, you'll be taken to your account settings area. On the left side of the page, look for the Account and Locale tab and click it. This section contains your main account details, including the username field. Now scroll or look through the page until you find the username field. This is where you can enter your new GOG name. Click inside the field and type in the username you want to use. Take a moment here to double check the spelling, because once the change is submitted, you'll need to wait 30 days before changing it again. When you're sure everything is correct, click the Change Username button or Submit Change option to save it. GOG will process the update and your account name should be updated shortly after. If the name is already taken or doesn't meet the requirements, you may need to try a different variation until it works, and that's it. You've now changed your GOG name successfully. It only takes a few steps, but it's important to be careful before confirming the change because of the 30-day limit. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.